In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can remove a background object without using any third-party application. Mind you guys, this tutorial is for both Android and iPhone users. Alright, so just make sure to watch the full video till then and thanks me later. Stay tuned, I'll be right back. I'm doing this tutorial on iPhone, but if you're on Android, the process are just the same. Go to your browser, then enter the website, and remove .bg, then upload image. Then you tap on photo library. Then you select image of your choice. Let me upload image of my best friend. Alright, then tap on done at the top right there. Alright, so so this first method, I'm trying to download this image as a PNG. Alright, so let me just tap on download. So if you're on iPhone, once you download the image, it will save on file. So you need to go and open your files, then tap on download to see the image. All right, so let me go back again to the website and show you the second method on how you can remove the background. All right, so if you tap on edit, you'll select any color of your choice. So let me just swipe around and show you. All right, you can choose any color of your choice. So but let me choose just one color. I like this background. Let me just download it, then go again to my files and show you. So this is it. So this is how to download it. Let me go to my files again. The image has already saved to files. So let me give you one bonus tip if you're on iPhone. All right, so if you're on iPhone, you don't need any eraser app or website to remove background image. All you need to do, guys, let me go to my all you need to do, guys, is to tap on the image just like this, then you tap on share, then you save the image. Now you've changed the background with no eraser app or website. So this is it, guys. You can try this. So if you have any question about it, just feel free to let me know. That is all about the video, guys. If you found it useful, please follow me on TikTok, Facebook, IG, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button to my YouTube channel and hit that bell icon for more tips and tricks every day. See you on my next video. Peace.